Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to find the display. So let's tap on it. Then let's scroll down in order to find the proper option, which is right here, automatic screen off. So let's tap. Right here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest kind of time option, so 30 minutes, or the option never, which means that your device will never black out automatically. You will have to do it manually with the usage of the power button. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I will pick 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and as you can see, this option is immediately marked. After getting back, you can see that it is also notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.